ganun.
Ang masasabi ko lang kay Angelique,
Ano?
feeling ko may dahilan kung bakit siya umiwas.
Bakit?
Yun ay feeling ko ang turing niya talaga kay Louie ay isang kapatid. Brother Louie. Brother Louie, okay? Yun talaga, yun ang turing talaga ni Angelique kay Louie. Akala isang kapatid siya, kaya umiwas siya. Yun lang ang ano niya, Brother Louie.
I love the way Justin said saying it every time.
Kaya umiwas siya. Yun lang ang ano niya, Brother Louie.
Ang ano niya kay Louie.
Tama rin ang desisyon ni Angelique, tama naman.
At dahil dyan,
Okay, they're playing this song. Okay. Look the way they're dancing, yo. I love this duo. I told you. When they go live together, it's always so much fun to watch.
Love is a burning.
Ay,
yun pala yun.
yes. Actually, noong una, talagang ang naisip ko kay Angelique, para pala siyang sira ulo. Pero na-realize ko na may dahilan ang lahat ng bagay. At yun na nga ay ang turing niya kay Louie ay isang brother. Yes.
At dahil dyan,
You know what? I love this song. I used to listen to this song.
You're no good, can't you see? Brother Louie, I'm in love, set to
I love the way they were dancing. Like,
free. Oh, she's only looking to me. Only love breaks a heart, brother Louie.
brother Louie. The way Justin said it.
Only love's paradise. Oh, she's only looking to me, brother Louie.